Affinity Designer has newly added features for password protection. These features are available in Affinity Designer's latest update, version 2.3 or higher. Now to set a PDF password lock, go to the above menu file. Export here. The export setting change to PDF format. And scroll down and check required password to open. You can also check the box for required password for modification and printing. Here, enter both password. And export your work as a PDF. With password protection. Now here double-click to open your PDF and enter your password. If you entered incorrectly, then this PDF will not open. You can secure your confidential work project or any PDF document with a password lock, and only the person who has the password to access this PDF and open it. And that's it. I hope you find this short video useful. Thanks for watching.